like, okay, this is our BIM, this is our project, and now we want to do BIM. What does it cost for me? What is it on top? So that the most people think, okay, it is like a plugin or something on a project, and so that we understand, that we know, or we have a mutual understanding of our aims. What is it? What we want to do, and talk. So communication is really, really important. I would say that BIM is actually not just building information modeling, but it is also building information management. It is like the management of information, the management of building information. So all this communication around it is just like a to coordinate this information flow. And actually, nothing changed on a BIM project. It is always that the most people think, okay, it is everything is completely new. We have a BIM manager. What actually is he doing? Or the BIM coordinator. This is like a project manager. He's just the project manager on an IT side. He's just to start it in the right way, I would say. So to get all these participants to to say what is who is what, who needs to do what actually. And yeah, that not it's not like that everything is going from its own. And if you push on the famous BIM button, then everything is generated and everything is done. So it is not. Also, what I always say, or what is from my experience, BIM is more than just a authoring software like Revit or ArchiCAD or something. It is about processes. It is really, really important to understand that, and that for these new processes, which is kind of new, you need new roles, you need new people who understand these technical part, and also merge it with the experience of people who are on site. And I think that in the next 5-10 years, there will be not a BIM manager like it is right now. There will be a person who, it is normal, it is standard that he understands how a BIM project works. And this, there will be then needed new roles, new tasks, what needs to be done by very specific or specialists who are very familiar with specific database or whatever. So I think this overall general thing will be in the next years will definitely be more in the minds of the most people.
Yeah, definitely. And I think there was a couple things that you said what was really, really true, like what you said about the process and communication. And I think it's like the BIM is often marketed by machine guidance systems or total stations or design softwares that it's easy and it gives clarity and collaboration. But I think the BIM itself, it makes it much more learnable and more critical to really manage the information, that the collaboration between each roles can work and function much more well. So we have this kind of like, well, as you said, a database of trusted information that when we look at it, we can really trust that, okay, the project is going this way and the quality is this much, and here we need to fix something to get it correct and so on. And I think it's really fascinating because like I get a lot of projects where I go and then the project manager has ordered the machine guidance excavators on the site, and then I was like, okay, you have this, it's a cool thing. Do you have any models or any software tools that you utilize them? And then it's like, oh well, we have these PDFs and can you make out of those? And it's like, oh, okay. Can I get the client's email? I will start asking the DVGs and start making models. But for many people, oh sorry, a little bit sick today. For many people, they see it as it's just like upgrade for excavators or surveying, and really not understanding the underlying foundation that's required to be like on par to get it functioning.
Mm-hmm.
So it's really interesting to see like how we are proceeding, and then when we get to that point that everyone, well, one person or everyone understand the underlying functions, how everything is working. I think that's getting there. Like I think having a BIM coordinator or BIM manager, I think as you said, in future it might not be individual person, but it could be like shared responsibilities for
Mm-hmm.
different roles. And I
Yeah,
think that's
true.
that's true.
True.
Like because I think like in the end, if you understand the basics and the fundamentals, I think it's something that anyone can really utilize and manage like with shared